Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your site title on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on the main page of my site, and as you can see up here is the header. Now, the header is made up of the main navigation tab as well as your store or site title, and you'll also have, depending on the theme or the preset that you use, you'll have a login button, such as this. You'll also have your social links if you have them. However, that is all not important. What we need is the site title, which is usually in the top left. Now, to change this, you just need to click edit on whichever page you want, since the header is present in all of them. Unless you've disabled it, then just go to a page that has the header over here. Then just click edit site header, click on the site title and logo, click on the edit site title and logo button, which is this pencil logo, and then just change the site title to whatever you want. For example, tutorial site, then click save, and now it has been changed for the header for all pages. You can also, if you want, if you're using the built-in domain on the Squarespace site, if you don't have your own purchased domain either through Squarespace or another host, just go into your settings, go into domains and email, click on domains, and if you have your built-in domain, you can customize the site ID by just clicking on it. And as you can see under site ID, you can customize this. This will impact all of your URLs on your site, so it will be this site id.squarespace.com slash whichever page you are on, depending on the URL slug for each page. But once you edit this, you'll save it and it'll immediately change, and you can use that to access your site further. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.